Iya kwa maka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ka ejika wee zite ozi ya. Unu nwa mgbe gara aga na Evangelist Ebuka Obi pụtara wee kwuo okwu sị na that he saw Mazi Nnamdi Kanu coming out of prison. O wee jee nga, which means na o jebe prison, he was in detention. So as long run, this man of God wee kwukwa sị na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ya apụta, but na aka jie is a political driven something, no maka political something. Man, one of the things I want to emphasize in this okwa is that na kande bayi galije piki legbe welo mma n'ogu eji onu anu. I repeat, he is emphasizing on nda na-achọ ka ebubata ọgba aghara na ana Igbo anyị maka na-achọ eme agitation, na-achọ eme nka that na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom does not lie. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom from prison does not lie na mma na egbe, that we should desist from it. Sisi n'ebe ahụ pụọ. So in unu mbụkwa na unu bụ agenda na unu nwere mala that God has revealed it already. Biko n'udo ka ide eme na ihe ọ ya bụ aịpụta bịbịa mee ole isi na abụ. Ka ide eme na ihe ọ ya bụ aịpụta bịbịa mee ndị kwesịrị arise ka ekwu okwu, because he made mention that na somebody will arise and speak. Then and na ya no one day asina president no aboard no president aya no one day asina na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been set free, which draw me back to what I have been clamoring on when mkwulu kwa sino ina cheka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu si na police na court putawa direct. No ya bụ a slap to the face of the government. Yeah, a very simple analysis that na they will like to push their strength to go that na they can do what they can do because the system in favor on the Igbo. As long as na Igbo onye Igbo, you are an enemy to the system already. For you being an enemy Igbo, mana for you being an onye Igbo, we being onye Igbo, you are already an enemy to the system. That was why I do anything when it is so because do in the bay sit up when a man actually do no not you will not stand. No man walk that na yano one day. Na was no life in prison. Na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Nigerian in life in prison. So out of the amount of 1 or 2 witnesses, the word is established. So kino lembe Evangelist Ebuka Obi ya no koya ka onye ozo kwukwalia. I'm not telling you to believe what is bound to happen. You have again tested and trusted. Tested and trusted. Also believe in his servant, believe in your prophet, and you shall again prosper. Tested and trusted. So because I will keep saying it. Obruno we plan unu jikunu we cause havoc. Because no one hobble weapon and neighbor in any ways. Everything here a hijack here to their own political gain. Everything here a hijack here to the political gain. So because kaide me kwana kali onano waeno ya because na assistance now. They are waiting for us to make 1 or 2 things. Okukwale kwesina no man and Hausa like Rondibo, no man and Yoruba like Rondibo. Ayejebe bumne wezi ogu. Ebe madana ba I like it. I also made mention of the lawyer that case. Also na that lawyer because he bunali ilo. Na that lawyer only acted what he was told. So when we held that was when you na agwa mmadụ si nwanyem na agwa kwesi a. Ihe ina-eche na no the reason that no easy like in form of jega mgbe election na all these people not in the power to decide what is good and bad. Can we get how it's being done? This people ya no na live television. We can to do family and he knows that anything he says will warrant whether nando family or yade kahayana. That is it. We can ban a carry if you know source on TV could be no political game is deeper than what we are seeing. When you can buy any to need a but Jojo's not be able to politics. This guy change automatically. Another za fuezu kukwe ngene kati ya sa one this year akwamakando anu wasem that I will not understand ever since that time he lost his respect for people. Party on the near self apogono chiche mana at the end of the day what did he gain? It's not about about policies coming. No, if nda no get power mecha poor, because power is transitional, nda mecha poor, what will be the outcome of ndi netile? So because he also could that lawyer Sibiko that he just did what he was told to do. So in the end of this complete prophecy about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Kuno got here connected with nke Evangelist Ebuka Obi, God the Kanu was on the buy.
The young man Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what is happening around him? What is happening around him is just like a distraction. It's something that is politically driven. It is something that is politically driven. Do you understand? It is something that is politically driven. I don't want to say the government of the day are afraid of his capacity. They are afraid of the level of understanding that he has. I told us before that we release him. I think I started speaking about his release since last year. So what I want to tell the Igbo people is, because the Lord was showing me something, there is a cook-up that is about to happen. There is a cook-up that is about to happen. There is a distribution of violence that is coming from the south, the southeast, and all these things. There is a cook-up of something not good that is coming. And the Lord doesn't want the fight within this thing. Do you understand? So let the Igbo community be calm. The Igbo community should be calm. Watch what the Lord is about to do. Because in the phase of the timeline I saw, the agitation will come. Do you understand? The right channels, the right voice will speak. But it is not yet time. Don't fight what is not supposed to be how did I put it now? Don't fight what is not supposed to be I don't know how to put the English, but don't fight or don't give voice to something you're not supposed to give voice to. It's not yet the time. The Nnamdi Kanu that you see, yes, don't fight what you're supposed to fight. Not fought. Do you understand? The Nnamdi Kanu will still be released. He will still be released. I don't know. I don't want to say, they will hide him for a season. Everybody is saying, they saw him dying in this. Nothing will happen to him. Nothing. Because I saw the Lord going to protect him. Do you understand? I saw the Lord going to protect him. All the ones that let's protest, because I saw a cook-up of a protest. I saw a cook-up of a fight that is about to happen. I saw the ganging up of people. I saw something cooking within the South people. The Hausa people are happy. The Yoruba people are happy. But the Igbos now, they need is a time where that we need to come together and understand it is not about the fight. It is not about the fight. The man will still be released. The government are only trying to, it is politically driven. For how long? They keep postponing the case. They keep postponing the case. They keep postponing the case. They keep saying this. They keep saying that. Do you understand? They keep postponing the case. How long? Then in one day, a man just came out and said, it is this. I'm not saying I'm supporting it though. Do you understand? But I don't like injustice. I'm not saying I'm supporting the man. I'm not saying I'm not supporting the man. Right? I'm not saying I'm not supporting all these things. One day, you people will stand up and fight. Nothing will happen. One day like that, they will just hear the president says they should release him. They will not even say the president said, they will just hear he has been released. Everything is politically driven. They are only selling you an ideology. They are only selling you an ideology. But let's pray for him. Right? I saw him. He will be released. The freedom will come. The freedom will come. But it is not going to come because of protests. It is not going to come because of this cooking up I saw that is ganging up. This gang up of fights that I'm seeing. No, it will not come because of that. It will not come because of that. So this is just an advice to the people. I'm not saying they must take the advice. I'm not saying they should not take the advice. A time is coming. They said lifetime, life imprisonment. No. They will still release him. They will release him. But the judge, they've been taking the case to other judges, other courts. And the courts, this court will have to say that we cannot do it, they postpone it. This court will say we cannot do it, they will take it away. But this person that announced it now is innocent. So if we should just leave him. He's innocent. He doesn't have, it is what it tells him to do that he did. It's not because of one, this thing. So let's just pray about it. I pray the Lord help them. What is happening within the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case is a political problem. So I just pray everything is sorted out. I just pray everything is sorted out, and the names of the Lord is glorified in that region. There is something that is coming to the city of Borno State.